Hi there, in this lesson we're going to look at the National 5 Expressions and Formula Specimen 1, questions 8 and 9, which is a gradient question and the volume of a sphere question. Okay, let's look at the gradient question first. Points A and B have coordinates -8, -2 and 3, 5 respectively. Calculate the gradient of AB. Right, there's a couple of ways to do this. I tend to do the gradient of AB is delta y over delta x, the change in y's over the change in x's. Leads into higher the y by dx and differentiation, don't worry about that. Some teachers do y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. Okay, but it's the same principles. You get the difference between the y's, that's the y coordinates, so you take them away from each other. So watch that. I'll do second, take away the first. So 5 take away -2. In this case, that'd be y2 because it's the second one. Take away y1. 5 take away -2. And you do exactly the same with the x's. So you would do 3 take away -8. So in this one, I would go 3 take away -8. And x2 is the second one, x coordinate, and that's the first one. So it would be 3 take away -8. And you just have to finish this off. Remember, when you subtract a negative, you add it on. So that's going to go to 7 in the top and 11 in the bottom. And you're done. Okay, right, question 9 then. Calculate the volume of a sphere with radius 5.8 centimeters. Given your answer correct to 2 significant figures. This is really important here. So it's also really important to look at the formula sheet properly. You will get one in the unit assessment. Look at it and write down the formula correctly. I say this because over years of experience, I've seen people writing 3 over 4. They've wrote r squared, just different things, thinking they know it, they don't, and they write it down. Now it's in the formula sheet, you should be able to write it down properly from there. Just take your time. So let's do this then. So 4 divided by 3, you can use the pi button of 3.14, and the radius in this case is 5.8, so 5.8 cubed. Right, I would advise you to type all that into your calculator and you get 1 mark, and if you get the answer, write it down. Just write down what's in your calculator and you'll get 2 marks. If you do the next bit and do it wrongly and forget this line here, you'll only get 1 out of 3. So get to this point here, just write down what's in your calculator and you'll get 2 marks out of 3. The last bit will be given by the rounding part and also putting the units in. You've got to put the units in here. So the rounding to 2 significant figures. So basically what you want to do is chop it here. That's your first significant figure, that's your second one. Now it's kind of like decimal places. That 6 is important because that 6 is going to bump that one up 1 place and the rest of the numbers become 0. So 8, 2, 0. Now you don't need to put 0.000, that'd be pointless. Okay, so and make sure you put your units in. Okay, now that's how to get exactly 3 marks there. Write your working down properly, put your unrounded answer down, put your rounded answer, and make sure you've put your units in to get 3 marks.